Welcome back, guys. Today's video is all about iconic beauty. I've been a makeup artist for over 10 years now, and I've learned that beauty is really all about looking like the best version of yourself. Nowadays, girls and women, we all have such busy lives, but no matter what, we always want to look our best. So having a routine that works really hard to make sure your skin looks beautiful and glowing all the time is so important. Today I'm going to show you guys my routine for just that. I'm going to show you guys skincare and makeup and how to create this beauty look that's really iconic. Thank you to Neutrogena for partnering with me on this video. Alright guys, let's get into this. First up is skincare, and I've been loving the Hydro Boost line from Neutrogena because it's all about hydration. So I'm starting off with the Hydro Boost Exfoliating Cleanser. I have normal to oily skin, so this lightweight kind of gel cream cleanser is great for my skin type. It gets rid of that dry surface skin by exfoliating it off. It leaves your skin super smooth. It removes dirt, oil, and it has hyaluronic acid, which is great for increasing your skin's hydration level and really locking it in. So it leaves my skin feeling so soft, so fresh, and it's gentle enough to use every day. So this is what I like to use daily. But depending on your skin type, there's also the Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel, and there's the Gentle Cleansing Lotion, which is great for sensitive skin. I live for a good mask, and the Hydro Boost Hydrating Hydrogel Mask is just that, super hydrating. This also contains hyaluronic acid, and I like to leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes to really let my skin soak up all that goodness. And then once I take the mask off, I'll massage any of that remaining product into my skin with the mask and then just with my fingers. The Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum is next up, and I love this because especially if you have dry skin, this extra bit of hydration in a serum is so key. It's oil-free, it absorbs into your skin instantly, and it leaves your skin looking so glowing. I like to apply about 2 to 3 drops after cleansing and before applying my lotion. And then my last step, of course, you cannot forget about sunscreen. And I love the Hydro Boost Water Gel Lotion because it's a lotion with SPF. It has a really light texture, so you don't have to worry about it feeling heavy under makeup, and it goes on invisible. So you're not gonna see that white film or any of that greasy residue. It's water resistant and it moisturizes your skin up to 8 hours. Now that our skin is totally prepped, it is time for makeup. I'm starting with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint. This foundation has a very lightweight texture to it. It moisturizes and plumps your skin for up to 24 hours. So it just leaves your skin feeling super hydrated and fresh all day. Continuing with that hydrating theme, I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Concealer. This contains hyaluronic acid, and it's so hydrating for the eye area. So if you tend to get a lot of dryness in that area underneath your eyes, this is a great concealer. It's super lightweight and it blends in beautifully. To set, I'm using a little bit of loose powder. This one is from MAC. It is the Patrick Star Collection. I really don't want to take away from any of this beautiful glow that we have going on our skin. So I'm applying this powder in just very key areas with a really small brush so I can control the application. This liquid blush from NARS in the color Hot Tin Roof is perfect for this look because I love applying a liquid or cream blush when I'm doing makeup looks like this, because I feel this gives the most natural look. It just looks like a flush of color on your cheeks, like it's coming from within. And I'm using a skunk brush to apply this and then blending it out with my fingers. This is a really easy way to apply so you don't over apply and it just looks very natural on the skin. I'm using the Benefit 3D Brow Tones to fill in my brows. This is just a light brow gel. This is going to give a little bit of shape and color. I love the spoolie on the brush because it just brushes all the hairs and still gives a very natural vibe. For highlighter, I'm using this beautiful color from the Balm Cosmetics. This is the Mary Dew Manizer Liquid Highlighter. The applicator for this is actually really nice because it makes it very easy to apply, just straight from the wand. And then I go in with my finger and I blend out. And I'm applying this along my cheekbones, inner corner, the bridge of my nose, just everywhere to give like a really beautiful, kind of angelic highlight to your skin. For the eyes, I'm using the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Plumping Mascara. This is a great formula. This is waterproof. It pumps your lashes and hydrates them so they don't feel dry and brittle, and they look really full. It also has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, and it makes your lashes look super black, long, and full. This is all I'm doing on the eyes today. And the last step for this iconic beauty look, I'm using the Hydra Boost Hydrating Lip Shine in the color Pink Mocha, which is this gorgeous, very natural color. And this is also from the Hydra Boost collection, so you know it's gonna leave your skin feeling very hydrated up to 24 hours. I want you guys to feel like you could achieve this beauty look, so I've teamed up with Neutrogena and we're going to be giving away all the products that I used in this video. All you need to do is just leave me a comment below and let me know who is your beauty icon, or what do you consider iconic beauty. I will announce the winner next week. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to add me on Instagram at Eman. I hope you guys get a chance to try out this look. It really is all about just looking your best and feeling your best and taking care of your skin and having a routine and using products that make your skin look and feel great. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you, and I'll see you in another video very soon.